Before and after stomach, back, and underarm, armpit. I wanna show the all the one part for the body hair removal today. Hi guys, how are you? Hope everyone fine good. Please guys watch full video and support this video, like, share and comment this video. First part I wanna show you the stomach part for the hair removal. Today the my client is the 2 months stomach hair growth and a little long and hair. First I do for the application for the powder is most important for the powder application because body needs dry body is wet, then you apply for the wax is not working. It's very hard to apply for the wax, but dry body use wax apply very easy way. And today I wanna use for the honey wax. I use for the left to right side because my client's hair growth left to right side. I apply for the honey wax half of the way for the stomach, left to right side, because all the hair growths left to right side. And then after this process is complete, then after I take a strip and apply for the wax and press them and take off the opposite direction and tie to the skin and hold the skin because the blood circulation come to the very fast is go slow down. In this process I do continue for the half of the stomach, apply and press the skin, take off the opposite direction. Whatever the hair in the wax, take off very well. Sometimes wax is stuck, then don't push very hard, go slowly and stretch the skin and take off the opposite direction. Do for the all the instructions like this one because take off the wax very easy and very well. All the hairs come very smooth and easy way. Then after I apply the middle of the stomach part for the navel, apply for the very straight up to downwards because this side hair go for the up to down side. And then after I take a strip and apply and take off the opposite direction because some parts for the hairs go right to left, left to right, and very close to navel they go for here and there. Then just take the situation which direction for the hairs, and then after you apply and take off the opposite direction. This side my wax is stuck for the strip, and then after I take a new strip and just apply, stretch the skin and take off the opposite direction, and wax come to very easy and very fast way. Sometime is very wet and sweat, and then wax working is not well because skin wants the dry. Sometimes skin is sweat and you apply for the wax and I apply for the wax is not working very well. Then after I apply for the other side for the powder application and this side for hair right to left side. All the hairs the same process we are doing before, left to right side, and this side I go for the right to left side. I apply for the honey wax in the half of the stomach part. Then after I take for the strip, apply, press, stretch the skin, take off the opposite direction. This process I do for the half of the stomach, whatever we do. And you see hair come very quickly and easy way. Just press for the skin very well. Either you are not pressing, stuck for the strip, then skin for the peel is very painful. Then after always be careful whatever the take up the strip, your the strip and yours the skin is very tight, and then after take off for the strip. This process is done. Then after I take for the waxing oil, put in my hand, and then after little warm and apply for the full stomach for and do for the 5-minute massage for them waxing oil. Clients feel relief and relax whatever the she feels. You see, very neat and clean stomach parts, all of the done, all hairs go away. Hope you like this video, this stomach part. Please like, share and subscribe. Do not forget and subscribe my channel. And this is the second part of the back waxing. This is the back waxing, very tanning, long hair and lots of acne. I recommended whatever the people in the backside for the acne. Please, then after waxing is done, do not forget exfoliate. Do not forget scrubbing. Is most important. Do for the every 2 days. Do for the scrubbing because they want for the open pores. Is not open for the pores, then too much is problems come. Is that's why it's most important to for the scrubbing after waxing. And some is too much itchiness, redness, then apply for the aloe vera. Is good for the aloe vera gel, apply for the backside because whatever the redness, rashes, all the things they come down. And then after is not work out, then take a ice cube, apply a tap, you feel relief. Don't skin rubbing too much, make a rash, make a scratch. That's why apply for the ice cube and do for the scrubbing every 2 days. You guys make a relief and relax after apply for the scrubbing. And this process we have the half of the done for the same process. And you see, look for the too much for the tanning and the dead skin come out in my clients. And then after I take press and take off the opposite direction for the strip in the honey wax. Same process, half of the done, then I do for the other part for my client for the honey wax. I just apply the other side, half of the side, right to left side. I process right to left side honey wax, apply for the half back other side, and full half of the back I apply in the honey wax because honey wax is very good for wax in the sensitive skin. Whatever the sensitive part, the very good for the honey wax in the skin. And then after apply and I take for the strip, press and take off the opposite direction. Make sure your skin is stretching very well, either make a very badly hurt in your skin. You have whatever the people have the professional, they knows how to do that, but they don't want, they don't know how to make it for the waxing at home and at parlor. Please first you learn how to do for the waxing in the client, then after you use. Otherwise is big mess in the body can take the toilet for the pain. Sometimes the new client and the new whatever the service you give to the client, and you are very newly person and you don't know how to do that, then is big mess. Either half of the part my done, and then after I apply for the oil wax in the back, and the half of the back is done. My client hair is very sensitive skin and the half of the back is red, but after we done for my client for the half back, then I apply for the aloe vera. She feel very relief and relax in the backside in the calm. And I always give to the tips in my clients, what do at home, go home, what you are carrying in your body is most important. And this is the shoulder waxing in the half of the way. All the hairs go right to left side. I just apply for the honey wax right to left side and take the strip and press them, stretch the skin very well and take off the opposite direction. This process you need very well. First look where the hair go which direction. Just this process you follow, your waxing is really good. How you do that, this one just watch first hair, because this part here for shoulder to downside very straight hair, half of the shoulder, and then same process, put the strip, press, and take off the opposite direction. All of the hair come out very easy and very quickly way. And then after I clean for the neck part, because hair is very long and very thick hair, and I just apply for the honey wax half of the part. Whatever the hairs come down, I apply right to left, left to right side, both side I apply. And I wanna just take for the strip and do little bit for the here, and do go for the other side and take off the opposite direction, because hair come very well. Whatever the your the strip is stuck, then take off very easy way. And then after take a new strip, apply again, then after take off the opposite direction. This process of waxing is really good, and no problem anything. But if come problems, I give you already solution, you just follow this solution. You are never ever go again this the kind of stuff. If any questions, please write down in the comment box what your the question. Hopefully I give the answer in the comment box, your the comment section. And this is the back side is complete. And hopefully you enjoy this video, you like this video, you learn this video. And this is the underarms and the armpits. Before parts is the body, the third part. And we are applying here a tea tree wax, because my client's skin is very sensitive. And first we need for them, because hair is too much sweating, then apply for the powder application. Very good is your the apply powder application is not good, and armpit waxing is not good. I apply half of the way for the tea tree wax, because half hair go for the right to left side, because all the hairs the middle to downwards go for the right to left, and half to upwards go for the left to right side. Then I apply for the half of the both direction for the different parts of the wax. And I take the strip and the half of the part whatever I apply for the tea tree wax in the armpit, underarms, and press the skin and take off the opposite direction. And all the hairs come very well and very easy way. Same, just press it, and then stretch the skin very tightly and take off the opposite direction and press the skin, press the skin. And client relief very well, very good. They feel so relaxed and energetic. Then after I apply for the waxing oil, because no stickiness after, no nothing, any problems. Same thing we do for the other parts, other underarms, for the right hand side. Just first I apply for the same powder application, because powder needs must. And then after I apply again same half of the part of the tea tree wax. Half part I apply for the down to upwards, for the tea tree wax. And then after I apply for the wax is middle to downwards, for the tea tree wax. And this process, because sometime hair go one side direction and sometime hair go only the one direction, depend upon which direction your the hairs. Sometime my client uses razor, use for the hairs, that's why the all the hairs go here and there. But I tell my client don't use for the razor, is not good for the skin. And then I give you the all the suggestion what you do after. And you see for the thick and very hard hair in the underarms, I tell you don't use for the razor, because you go for always for the wax, and either you go for the laser, but don't use for the razor. Is not good for the skin, because skin is black and hair is very hard and come to for the 3 to 4 times more hairs, is not good for the skin. And lots of tanning in your underarms. And this process almost done for the underarms. We apply one time more, because is the 2 to 3 hairs more. And I take for the strip, apply, press it and take off the opposite direction, and all the hairs go away very quick and very easy way. And then after I use for the waxing oil, I use for the waxing oil and do for the massage 5 minutes in the underarms, because client feels very relaxed and very feel very good, very relaxing, and do this process complete. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye bye. Take care.